Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another bag unboxing with you. I went to Sezane a couple of days ago. I already did a mini haul of everything that I bought there. I got 3 tops, shorts, sandals. I don't think that I've shown the sandals though. And everyone asked about, a couple of girls asked about this beautiful top, which I still haven't seen online. So everything that I got it here physically in the store here in Austin. So this is from the newest collection. It is such a pretty top, also my favorite from all the ones that I got. So I have decided to film in this one. So this is called, I don't think that it's online yet, but I will put everything in the description. If it comes, you will be able to find it there, and I will also write the name of it because I did get it on my email receipt. So this is the Nuri top in Millie print, if I am pronouncing that correctly. It is such a beautifully detailed top. It just looks so good with the jeans, and somebody asked if it's transparent, if it's see-through, but like now I am wearing the bra. If you're wearing the beige strapless bra, it's not going to be visible at all. As you can see, this is the color of the bra that I have on right now, which is kind of like light purple. It is visible a little bit, but you know, if you're gonna have a beige bra underneath, or maybe not, if you're not gonna have anything underneath, I think you will be fine. They also gave me this Austin city guide map, what to do in Austin, where to eat, where to chill. I thought that this was so cute. I already checked the places that they recommend, and everything is very European. Like, I think Europeans would really love these places, which makes sense because they are a French brand in the end. So this is the new bag that I got. I mean, it's inside of this bag. I wasn't sure, so I wanted a good basket bag in quite some time. One that I currently have and that I have been using the most is already falling apart. I have been carrying it every summer for the past 10 years, and I don't have it with me here right now because I am usually in Europe during summertime, but it is actually a shopping bag from L'Occitane. Because when I wanted to buy a basket bag, there weren't any brands selling basket bags at that time. I'm so happy that that has changed, that now they're everywhere. I feel like that they're just such a beautiful thing for summer, and I could not decide between this one and the one with the pink flowers, but here it is. This is the Justine bag with the white flowers. So there is another version with the pink roses, and then it has like the green details, which I thought that that one was so pretty as well. I mean, all of them are perfect. The bigger ones, I feel like they have very good sizing. All of the ones that come with these little details, they are in medium size, and then the small ones are so cute as well. So about the sizing, I wanted to let you know that this is not like a very big bag. So I am going to compare it with Longchamp Le Pliage, because I think that that's probably a bag that you own. So this is the Le Pliage in large, and then this is the new Sezane basket bag. So as you can see, there is This one is larger. There is a lot of space down here, but I really like this size. I'm not gonna use this bag for the beach. I'm not gonna put a towel in it, so it's going to be more than enough space for me there. The quality feels really nice. I love how these flowers are just so imperfect and they end like half thrown here. It just looks kind of messy, very pretty. And I like that there is an option to carry it without the flowers on the other side as well. So there are the straps if you want to carry it on the shoulder. And then let's see what fits. This is what it looks from the inside, and this is not detachable, the little purse that comes from within. I am going to remove this paper, and while I do that, you can press that like button and subscribe to my channel. So here it is. It is so pretty. The reason why I chose this one in the end and not with the pink roses is just because I think that I will be able to combine this one better with my summer dresses, which are in all colors, so just white goes better with everything. I will leave the link of everything that I bought in Sezane and this bag down below in the description. And now I am going to put inside all of like my daily things that I use and see how much space will I have left. Okay, so I have my sunglasses here, my wallet, my makeup products right here, and then always during summertime I have a sunscreen, and then this body spray. It's called, what is it called? Rio Radiance by Sol de Janeiro, which is my favorite one for summertime. And then I don't usually carry around my water bottle anymore, just because here in Texas there's water everywhere and everyone is offering water to you, so I don't need it here. But if I were to, here is my water bottle that can, which is huge. This is what I use for the gym. That can fit here as well. I will show you, however, this is what it looks like without the water bottle. Everything fits really nicely. The bag is doesn't feel heavy at all. And then if I put my water bottle there, I think this is the biggest water bottle from Lululemon. It still feels very nice. This is how it looks like. And I love the size. It's not too big and it still fits everything. And I liked how you can actually close this from the inside. So if you want to keep something that it doesn't fall out, you can do that as well. And then maybe have something on the sides, like a book or something, whatever you need for the summertime. I will film how it looks on me. I am 170 centimeters tall, which is 5'7". Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down below, and if you have any questions, let me know which one is your favorite Justine basket bag, and remember to subscribe. I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.